This is our room, which is gonna be 6095. Ocean view. Alright.
Welcome to Big Island!
Alright, let's go check out the room. So we walk in here, the mirrors first, bathroom, and then this is the bathtub. Very simple.
I'm very excited about that, but one thing is I forgot to bring baths.
Oh, that's okay. This is where you can iron your clothes and stuff.
Before we move on, did you guys notice my glasses like changes in almost every video?
Yeah.
Yep.
This is where the magic happens. The bed. I think the best part of this is ocean view
Yep.
and pool view.
VIP.
Check it out. Check it out. What do you think?
Check it out.
It's sunset right now. We just got here.
Yep.
We just got here.
And look at the ocean over there.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, so calm.
It's pretty nice.
Yep.
Nice view. Yeah. Our home for the next 8 days.
Yep, just like Oahu. Stay tuned.
Yep. Yeah, look at that. Well, let me know if you guys have any questions. Comment down below.
Yep.
Subscribe and like. Peace out.
Subscribe.